Well, we've arrived at one of the saddest parts of revival when it's over. We had a great revival and 5 people baptized. Many people prayed back through and were encouraged. I believe we had some healings there in the tent also. And, it was a success. But it's just a lot of work tearing down and getting everything straightened out. And so I got out there by myself before everybody else and kind of sorted everything out and separated chairs and things of that nature. And so just give it a watch here, and you'll see that there's a lot of work goes into setting it up, but a lot tearing it down too. So as you go around, we first get everything out from under the tent and then start working on dropping the poles out from under it. You can see I'm taking some chairs over here to the trailer now and getting that cleared out, getting ready to let this tent down. It's a lot of work. Here we go. You can see you loosen them up all around the edges first, and then get some slack in that. You take that center pole out and that whole thing just drops down there, and pull that back out of the way, and then start taking the poles loose and all the straps off of it, and boom, there it is on the ground. All of our crew did show up later and help fold all this up and get it in the trailer, and I didn't have my camera going at the time, didn't film that. But we had a situation, we had 5 baptisms. This one coming up right here melted my heart. Wow, little 5 to 6 year old little boy named Mark. He was so excited about giving his heart to Jesus. And you know what? In a horse trough on a trailer at night with motorcycle lights shining, and just he went down and came up brand new. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel if you would. Love you. God bless. We're still keeping the faith.